The aim of this tutorial is to show you how to create, reserve and upload a new work item / description for your working group or technical committee on the Contributions Portlet. From the Etsy website www.etsy.org, select the tab on the far right side of the screen, Committees and Portal. Log on to your Etsy online account. Select the technical body you intend to contribute to. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will take EE Working Group 1 as our example. Go to the Contributions Portlet, which is on the left side of your screen, where all types of contributions are displayed. To create the contribution, click on the button Contribute. Select the type New Work Item Proposal / Description. A pop-up message will appear on the screen. If New Work Item Proposal / Description is selected, then it cannot be changed after selection. Click OK. The system will open the creation screen with some pre-filled fields. The first tab on the creation screen is entitled General. It comprises of 8 fields, of which 5 are mandatory. Fill in the contribution details, noting that a new work item proposal / description is for decision or for discussion. Ultimately, a new work item proposal should be set to for decision, and it will have a final status of accepted, rejected, or noted revision requested pre-approved. Once the general contribution attributes are inserted, click on the arrow indicating right to move to the next tab called Work Item Details. The next step is to select either Create a new work item proposal if you are intending to submit a new or revised specification to your working group or technical committee, or to select Update and Progress an existing work item proposal if you've already registered the new work item and need to progress it. We will first handle Create a new work item proposal. Having selected this option, use the drop-down menu to select the appropriate working group or technical body. For deliverable type, there are 2 possibilities, New and Revision. Should you wish to revise a specification, you may enter the Etsy number, for example ES 202336, or you may enter the reference of the work item to be revised, for example DES/EE-02037. Insert it in the drop-down menu bar on the right, and the system will retrieve the main information available from the work program. For this tutorial, we will create a new proposal. For standard type, click in the box or the drop-down arrow, and the list of the 8 types of Etsy deliverables will appear. Select the appropriate one. To be published as version is automatically set to 1.1.1 for new deliverables. However, it can be changed. For example, it may be 1.2.1 for a revised deliverable with minor changes, or 2.1.1 for a deliverable containing major updates. On the requested work item reference, you will see the first section is pre-filled. The second section should be the intended Etsy work item reference number, i.e. 0018, as the last one created was 0017. For the formal title, it may be the full name of the working group or the technical committee. The formal title too may refer to the domain in which the work will be carried out. And formal title 3 may be used to indicate separate parts of a specification. The working title should be a short title of the intended specification. The scope should provide an overview of what the standard will cover. To complete the rapporteur and supporting companies fields respectively, click on the buttons with 3 dots and type the first name or the surname of the rapporteur. Select it from the list, and the contact name details will be displayed on the left side of the screen. Click on the name of the institution or company in the filter box and click on Filter. Select each one from the list and click on the Add button, or double-click on the name to move it to the left side of the screen. To complete the schedule and aspects and keywords fields, click on the arrow on the right side of the screen to open these sections, and also to close them. Please note the following. If the schedule is not completed, it will not be possible to accept the work item proposal. For the keywords, please note a minimum of 2 keywords are required. Next, click on the Check Work Item Proposal button to check whether the contribution is ready for upload and approval. If this is not the case, a pop-up message will be displayed. This work item proposal is not ready for approval yet, and you will be informed of the fields that are missing information. In this case, working group approval date must be filled in. Click OK. Once all the required information has been input, you may click on the Save button. A pop-up message will confirm that your contribution has been reserved and display the contribution number along with the preliminary work item reference number. This is a temporary reference given to any newly created work item and is constructed of the following: PWI for preliminary work item, EE01 for the name of the working group, 2011-07-28 is for the year, the month and the date of the creation. _1 refers to the number of PWIs created on this date. For example, should it be the first one created today, it will be 1. Should it be the second PWI created today, it would be 2. Next is _V1. This refers to the version number of the PWI, as it may be updated should the contribution be revised. And now we invite you to follow the tutorial, upload and make available a new work item proposal.